right. I'm so excited to get in this crystal clear water.
Yeah.
It's gonna be amazing.
It's about time.
We do have to hike about a mile, so we're gonna throw the tanks on our back. We've got help though. We got Sadie over here, Cruz, Haley's coming, and we got Nora with us.
Woo!
We're finally gonna dive with Nora in some clear water.
Finally, I can't wait. We've been diving nothing but murk, so
Yeah, nothing but murk.
All right, we've also got Hurley with us. Hurley.
Okay, I think we're all loaded up. Woot woot.
Life is a winding road.
Because who doesn't love to hike with scuba gear?
Where it goes.
Can I get a what?
Driving through days and nights.
Hey-yo.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And
Okay,
There we go. You
hitting the trailhead.
guys ready?
Let's see if you guys are ready.
Let's get this toast.
let's figure out where the road goes.
Okay, let's talk about the gear we have today, all right? So, always on a hike, gotta have plenty of water, of course. And then, because we have our dog, we got water for him and a bowl. And then, got my scuba tank. We've got our wetsuits. We've got metal detectors, a GoPro, and so much more.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Okay, we made it to the falls, and now we're going to see what we can find under the falls. What do you think you're gonna find?
Apple Watch. I would love to find an Apple Watch.
I am actually gonna set my bar really low. I'm going to say I'm gonna find lots of garbage, because every time I say I'm gonna beat Steve, I end up finding nothing. So I'm gonna find lots of garbage.
Nice.
And Cruz, what are you
What do
gonna
you
find?
find? What do you
On
find?
that note, I'm gonna beat Steve.
All right. Sadie?
I'm gonna try today. I didn't try last time, so
She's going to scuba. What do you got you?
I'm just gonna swim around. If I find an Apple Watch, I'll find an Apple Watch.
There
But
you
if
go.
not,
All right, let's get in the water.
Let's do it.
Right, that was an amazing dive, right?
Yes, about time we had some clear water.
I tell you what, this water is just amazing. Just awesome. And to have it here in Arizona, such a cool, had to do a little bit of a hike to get there, but it was a lot of fun. Set out to find some cool things, and I think we did. Cruz is back there, he found some stuff.
Yeah.
Jenny found some stuff.
Let's flip around, why
Let's
don't
take a
we?
look.
All right, so I headed down there at first without a metal detector, so I just started digging. Didn't come up with too much, but did get a couple of nice pairs of sunglasses here.
All right, it was a mask and goggles day for me. So I found two masks. One even has a snorkel on it still. So someone was looking for something. I did find these two goggles, which were kind of cool. These are actually pretty cool. I like those. I found two pairs of glasses. I like these. These are your style, Jenny. See if you wear them. I think these are another pair of prescription glasses. It's always sad when I find prescription glasses, because that means someone had to hike out of here not being able to see very well. So sorry about that. I did find this Hurley hat, which was kind of cool. That can clean up. I might wear that a little bit. And just some other stuff, little bonnet and water shoe. But you know what? Jenny beat me. Let's see what you found, Jenny.
Okay, first of all, I found a headband and some of these rubber bands and bracelets, okay? And then I was so glad that I set the bar really low, because when I went down there, look what I found! Ah, yes, I finally beat Steve.
All right, we gotta check it out. Let's turn it on. It actually works.
Okay.
Let's see how they lost it.
All right. Okay, I just turned it on.
All right, now swipe up. Right, here's the video.
Okay. Let's see. Too bad I don't see a face.
It's just spinning.
Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. They did.
Yeah. Wow, that thing's just moving. I wonder if it was hooked to something and it came off.
Well, maybe.
There it is. Drop. And the current. Oh, the current's catching. Yeah.
And it lands. When does it land? Oh, there. And that's where I found it, kind of in the sand, buried a little bit. Cool. Okay, stay tuned to the end and we will see if we can find the owner. We're going to go through this footage, see if there's a name we can find, and we will try and get it back to them.
Yeah. So we're not going to spoil what Nora found down here.
Show them a little sneak peek, but
But
I'll block it out.
Nora I think she might have beat me. So Jenny and Nora are always challenging me. Jenny definitely beat me. You guys will have to go check out Nora's channel to see if she beat me as well and see what she found. She found some cool things. So go check out Nora Svet. Make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends.
Check out our merch.
Check out the merch if you want to support the channel. Go check out TripNdiveShop.com. We'll catch you on our next adventure. Peace.